Welcome to TAG's PRINCE2 e-learning environment, the most flexible and easiest way to learn PRINCE2. This environment has been designed to give you a clear understanding of PRINCE2 and the role of a project manager and project management. Upon completion of this course, you would be in a position to contribute to or manage projects using PRINCE2 framework and also clear PRINCE2 Foundation and Practitioner Certification exam. However, if your aim is to just clear the PRINCE2 exam, then this course is not meant for you. Our e-learning environment is designed to educate you on how PRINCE2 is used in a project environment, how projects are run in general, why do you need a project management standard, and how PRINCE2 can help you increase the efficiency of your projects and still be in sync with other frameworks and standards. For who is this course designed for? This course is meant for anyone who is involved in a project using PRINCE2 method or is planning to write PRINCE2 Foundation and Practitioner exam. This course is designed for entry-level project management personnel who wish to learn about project management and the PRINCE2 method in particular. This course can also be used as a detailed reference source for PRINCE2 practitioners as a source of information on PRINCE2 for managers considering whether to adopt the method. And also, our environment is useful for educational purposes or for students. From the aerial point of view, this is the module's work area where all the study material and question and answers are presented and interactions are made throughout the course. The panel on the left side presents the main menu tabs for multiple menu access. For example, PRINCE2 Foundation, PRINCE2 Practitioner, and Services. At the bottom panel of the screen, you will find various controls like the navigator bar, the review bar, the progress bar gauge, the search tab, the session reference, and the page reference. The top panel consists of the learning tools that we will be using during the course flow. We shall discuss each of them in detail at a later point of the tour. Depending on the type of license purchased by you, the menu access tabs would differ. Each main menu tab is further divided into sub-menus or sessions. The sessions can be viewed at length by clicking the relevant sub-menu. If you are visiting this module for the first time, then we would suggest you to follow the sequence of sessions as listed. Switching between the tabs can be easily done by clicking on the relevant session. As you finish a slide, it gets highlighted as red, represented by a tick mark. The position of the status and the duration of the page are displayed in the corresponding columns of the session topic. It is useful to know the status of the session for revision purpose. You are also given the flexibility of returning to the bookmark position by clicking on the bar gauge. In order to gain the most from studying the course, we shall discuss the tools and controls available to you. Items of information and the tools can be viewed at the bottom of the screen. The Find bar helps you search any term, reference, or session by typing the details in the search box. The Progress bar gauge monitors your progress throughout the session by checking your present time spent versus the actual duration of the complete session. The Navigator bar provides a variety of options like the Rewind option helps you go back to a certain position in the session. The Play option gives you the freedom of starting or restarting the session as per your requirement. The pause option will hold the session at its current position. The back option will return you to the previous page. The forward option will take you to the next page, and the fast forward option will skip certain parts of the session and will help you go ahead in the session at a faster pace. The review bar allows you to rewind or fast forward to any point of the page by moving the review bar handle to the left or the right, respectively. To switch the audio on or off, click on this button. If at any time of the session you wish to exit the e-learning module, you can click on the Exit button. The last visited page or activity will be stored automatically to save loss of data. These are the learning tools offered to you throughout the course. The contents. The course contents are provided in the chronological order, just as the table of contents is represented in a book, which enumerates the main topics and the subtopics covered in each session. On clicking on any of the topics, you will be taken to the corresponding page. The glossary refers to a list of often used, difficult, or specialized words with their definitions, which can usually be found at the end of a book. By choosing the initial alphabet of the search term from the top pane of the glossary, you can view the list of words and their meanings by simply clicking on the word. The index tool facilitates a quick check for reference material or specific terms. You can either refer to the list or alternatively search the specific search field for finding the relevant content. Please note that the bookmarking facility is temporarily switched off while using the index tool. The frequently asked question tools enables you to view the frequently asked questions along with their correct answers. The sticky notes are there for your convenience for making notes, adding reminders, or to cut, copy or paste important text from the work area, etc. for your future reference. You can also print your sticky notes by clicking the Print button on the top panel of the stick notes. The bookmark tool gives you the flexibility of marking the pages as your favorites or to maintain them in folders as per your requirement for future reference and to make the revision process faster and more efficient. The stored bookmarks can be edited by renaming the files or by removing a bookmark.